So friends, I'm back with my new recipe, Delhi Mirchi Chicken. First of all, we have a half a kg of chicken, 1 spoon of black pepper and 1 spoon of garam masala, 2 spoons of garlic paste, ginger garlic, kasuri methi, salt as per taste, dhania powder and red chili powder and curd. Some coriander leaves, 10 to 12 green chili and half a kg of tomato. Add 3 spoons of oil to the kadai, which is hot. As the oil is heated, now add salt. Stir fry for 2 minutes, then add ginger garlic paste to the chicken. Stirring, add the tomatoes. And roast it for 2 to 3 minutes till the tomatoes get soft. As you can see, tomatoes have softened. Now you can add the dhania powder and the red chili powder. Now add the garam masala with the black pepper in it. Now add 2 spoons of curd for good texture, and you can add 2 to 3. Now add the slitted green chilies. With kasuri methi. Add very little water so that green chilies get softened. Finally, the chicken is cooked. For the final touch, add some coriander and serve. As our chicken is ready to have, you can serve it with parathas, rice or kulchas.